The number one question that I get on a daily basis is, how's the market? Well, if you're curious how the market is going right now, stick around because I have your September real estate market update. Hi, I'm Paula Flagg with Paula Flagg Homes, and I'm here with your September real estate market update. Well, there's two stories that are still leading all the headlines, and that is inventory and interest rates. So you may have seen a lot of news coming out about interest rates this week with the Fed meeting. The Fed interest rate meeting and interest rate hikes doesn't have a direct correlation to the mortgage interest rates, but still it does bring the conversation into the forefront around this time whenever they're having meetings. Right now, the interest rate nationally for a 30-year fixed conventional loan is hovering in the mid sixes, which is a marked increase over what we've seen the course of the year. And if you have looked at the interest rates in general, you will see that it is still a historically low interest rate. And if your life circumstances dictate that you want to buy a home or invest in real estate, it is still a great time to do so. Um, with that, I'm going to give you some additional information about the greater DC area and what's happening in the real estate market here. Um, as always, real estate is a very local market. And if you would like information about your specific neighborhood or a neighborhood where you're looking to purchase a home, then reach out to me and I can run those numbers at a hyper local level and let you know what's happening in any neighborhood in our area. And so right now, closing sales are flat. You can see that we're selling about as many homes like month over month as we did last month. We have less new listings coming on the market. So that means that inventory has dropped. And you can see here that the number of active listings that are on the market right now is lower, which means that for those buyers who are in the market still looking to buy a home, there are slightly less homes on the market right now. The average list price to sales price ratio, and that's basically what the house is listed for compared to what it actually sells for, is just above 99%. So on average, homes are selling very close to the list price, slightly below in some cases, maybe slightly above in others, but that's averaging out to just over 99%. So for month supply, we are still struggling to have enough homes on the market for the buyers who are looking to purchase a home. Right now, we have just under 1.5 months supply, and our days on market is 19. And this is again for the entire DC region, and it's across all home types: condos, townhouses, row houses, detached houses. On average, homes are on the market for about 19 days right now. What does this mean for you if you are a seller? Well, we do still have very limited supply. We have buyers in the market and we don't have enough homes for them. So if you have been considered selling, now is a great time to sell. And buyers, we can see that the days on market is creeping up a little. So that means that homes are not selling within a matter of days and that you do have time to go out, take a look at some properties, take your time, think about it just a little bit before you put in your offer. One of the things that has definitely changed now versus a year ago is that many of the contracts that we are working with right now have home inspection contingencies, they have appraisal contingencies, they have finance contingencies. So if you were a buyer who tried to buy a home over the last year or two and then became discouraged because you didn't have an endless supply of cash to bring to the table, now is your opportunity to get back in the market, find a property that you really like, and you have the opportunity to have that appraisal contingency so you know that you're not paying more for the home than it's worth. So that's your September real estate update. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And as always, thank you for choosing Paula Flagg Homes for all of your real estate needs.